If you have a lot of wool garments, accessories, mittens, one thing you might notice over time is that pills start to form. And what that is caused by is just when it rubs together, things that get a lot of use, it's just going to form a little layer of extra fuzz on top of your knitting. And that's easily removed with a pill remover. The pills that form generally are in high use areas. So on your sweaters, it might be along the arms and the side of the body. And that's mainly from your arms and friction moving. Another thing that might get a lot of pills is mittens, just from all the friction and grabbing and touching things. But again, that's easily taken care of with a pill remover. We have one from Knit Picks, and it's just a pumice stone here. And you can see it's a little bit grabby, and all you do is gently move this over your knitting. And as you do that, it's just going to remove that top layer of fuzz and make your knits look new again. You can see here, all the fuzz on here is that extra pill that it's just taken off. And you want to do that very gently, very carefully. But again, a pill remover is going to make your knits look like new and also help them last a lot longer.